Mike with HD Pocket Doors. Guess what? We're back at the Pocket Door Workshop after that awesome show in Orlando. And thanks for everybody who came out to check us out and see this dog gate in action down there. The doggy child gate and the pocket door combination. This thing is really taken off. Got a lot of interest in this. Even Toby likes it. Right, Toby? Come on. Come, Toby. So just wanted to talk a little bit more about what's involved with this gate system. So this is going to be the walk-through width, and then you're going to have the pocket width, and your pocket is going to need to be twice the walk-through width. So your gate size, if you have a 2-foot opening, you're going to have a 4-foot gate. That way it can always stay engaged in the pocket, and that way it can cantilever across the opening. That way you don't have to have a track going across your floor, and you can still have that soft close, soft open feature that everybody's come to love. So let's take a look at the inside of the pocket on this dog gate system. So you can see, again, you've got your walk-through width, and then your pocket's going to be twice the walk-through width. And that way, half of your gate or door will be able to stay in the pocket, hanging from the pendants, and also engaged in a floor track that's only in the pocket. That way, the door can cantilever across the opening and you don't need any floor track or extra wheel going across the opening. And that leaves it open for you to walk through. If you want to pair this with a pocket door, you can also do that from the other side. Your pocket door will still use your normal, the door ×2 for your width. And that can actually converge with the dog or child gate system. Come, Toby. So if you have any questions or you'd like to dig deeper into this gate system, make sure to follow along. Shoot us an email, Mike@HDPocketDoors.com. We'll see you on the next one.